Hi everyone, welcome to Tania's Kitchen, where I teach you simple and helpful recipes. Today we will be making cashew milk. Okay, we're going to start off with 2/3 cups of raw cashews. As we know, cashews are full of protein, and when you're doing, when you're cooking or using any nuts, it should be raw, not salted, not oven roasted, just in its raw state. And cashew is known as like a soft nut, so you want to just soak it for about 2 to 4 hours. If it was like almonds, it would be like overnight, 8 hours to overnight. So the harder the nuts, the longer you have to soak it. So as I said, this is 2/3 cups of raw cashews. And then we have 1/8 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. That's the better salt to use. And I have here a tablespoon of honey. You don't have to use honey. You can use maple syrup or agave, anything that you prefer. And you don't want to make it too sweet. The store-bought milk that we get doesn't have a lot of nutrients in it. It's a lot of more watered down, and it's like full of sugar and stuff. So making your own is the best way to do it. So we're going to put this on the blender, and this is 4 cups of water. So what you want to do is probably take 1/3 cup of water, and you're just going to blend it out until it becomes very smooth, and then you add the rest of the water, and voila, there's your milk. So we're going to start slow. And then you'd add the rest of the water. So that was probably, say, a minute. And then you just want to mix it together. You don't have to like blend it for a long period of time. You just want to incorporate everything. That's about it. And with cashew milk, you don't need to strain it. So you just put it in your container. If you wanted it to be thicker, you just add more cashews to it. And there you have it, a nice and healthy version of cashew milk. Just a little tip, guys, it will last in your fridge for about 5 days, but it's so good you'll probably finish it within a day or 2. So that's just a tip. Keep it refrigerated up to 5 days. All right, take care. Thanks for tuning in, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.